Okay, you can see we've taken a lot back in here out. So we're going to go to the front and take some of this out from this side. So we'll be going back from the front to the back. Be sure you put the back of the head on before you clamp it so you don't split your head open. Now we'll go back to the back. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Would appreciate that. So we're going to keep taking some out in here, and then we'll move to the front so we get some more of this out up here. So we'll keep working on that, and when I get it down, then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.